Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool dispenser part #WPW10199696. The Whirlpool dispenser part #WPW10199696 is a refrigerator water dispenser that is designed to dispense cold water from the refrigerator. It is a genuine OEM part and is compatible with various Whirlpool refrigerators. This part helps to provide clean, filtered water for drinking and cooking. It features an easy-to-use push-button design and a built-in filter that helps reduce chlorine taste and odor. The dispenser also has an LED light that illuminates when the dispenser is in use. This part also includes a tube, bracket, and screws for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement dispenser actuator for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is used to replace a broken or malfunctioning dispenser actuator and can help fix issues such as the dispenser not responding to commands, not dispensing water or ice, or not releasing the ice cubes. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the dispenser and check for any damage. 2. Remove the old dispenser, if applicable, by unscrewing the mounting screws from the door. 3. Place the new dispenser in the opening and secure it with the mounting screws provided. 4. Connect the water line to the back of the dispenser using a compression fitting or a quick connect fitting, depending on your model. 5. Plug in the power cord to an outlet and turn on the power switch located on the back of the dispenser. 6. Test out your new dispenser by filling a cup with water and checking for Pro. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.